Hey guys, what's up? So, welcome back to Summer Week. All week long has been Summer Week. From Monday to Friday, I have uploaded a new video sharing with you guys some sort of beauty summer related video. And it's just been a lot of fun. If this is your first time coming into Summer Week, hi, how are you? Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of all of my future videos. Also, I will link the Summer Week playlist up above, so that you can go check it out and see all the videos that I've done. And also, happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. So today I'm talking about my favorite summertime bronzers, blushes, and highlights. Get some popcorn, sit back, relax, drink a little bit of pop, and enjoy the summer because this video is going to be long. But I wanted to give you my favorites, and I looked through all my collection and I actually had to put stuff back. But these are like my top faves that I've been loving for summer. So first off, let's start with bronzer. So I have to mention this. I've talked about this so much on my channel, but I seriously, you're going to hear this for the rest of my life because I love this palette so much. This is the BH Cosmetics Contour Palette. I will link everything I talk about down below, so check the description box. This is the BH Cosmetic Contour Palette. If you are wondering, they are cruelty-free. This is what the palette looks like. I love this palette so much. I use it to contour, and it's the only contouring products I have in here, but I also use this color right here, even though it's matte. I use this to bronze. I bronze my entire face with this color. That's what I actually use today to bronze, is this color right here. I use these two to contour and this color right here. It is such a unique color. I feel like it has an olive tone to it, and it's kind of like a yellowy bronzer, like a yellowy, but it's just so realistic and of what skin would be if it was bronzed. And it's just such a smooth powder, and even though it's matte, it bronzes up my face just beautifully. Beautifully. If you don't want a shimmery bronzer, get this palette. You can use it to contour, you can use it to highlight with these matte shades, and you can use this color here to bronze with. I love it so much. I had to give it a mention. Next, I cannot do a favorite bronzer video without this. This has been my longest bronzer love ever. Like, I loved this bronzer before I loved any other bronzers. So this is the Hardcandy. You can tell it's just like destroyed. The top is off, everything. This is the Hardcandy So Baked Bronzer in Tropics. This is gorgeous. It's baked. It's supposed to be domed. I've just used and abused mine. This is such a beautiful, especially for summer. It will give you that bronzy glow. It gives you a sheen of beautifulness, but it's not shimmery, it's not sparkly. This is definitely something that you want all over your face to just give you a subtle, glowy, bronzed, tan appearance. So beautiful. I love this so much, you guys, and it's so affordable. You can find this at Walmart. Okay, next. This is even more affordable. This is from the e.l.f. It's from their, it used to be a $1 line. I think they're $2 now, but it's their e.l.f. bronzer. This one's in SunKiissed. Again, absolutely destroyed, but this one is the most that is kind of a light gold shade. If you are fair, this one will work good for you. And even if you're not, like even if you're my shade, I'm like an NC 30, it still works so good and it's so beautiful. It's just, it's different than any of the other ones I have because it's kind of that lighter gold, and it looks gorgeous. And this would also be a beautiful highlight for really deep skin. Just such a beautiful, and it's only $2, you guys. It's so affordable. I just love this, and I definitely love this when I want to have like no makeup on and just a little bit of bronze. This is what I'll put on all over the face, and I just love it. Okay, so I have to give this little guy a mention. I do contour, and you can bronze with this as well. This is the WetNWild Contour Stick. This one's in Where's My Walnut. For the summertime, I'm not gonna lie, I love cream contours just to put a little bit, kind of, because it's so hot. It's so hot. I don't want to be piling powders on top of my skin, and this is just such a light, smooth formula. It blends like a dream. This color has some warmness to it, so you can contour and bronze with this, but it's just, look at that, and it's just so smooth, and I don't know, it really does feel really light on the skin. Look at that, and it looks so natural. And it is so affordable that I had to mention this. I love contour sticks. Okay, so last one is this one. It is the LA Colors Illuminating Skin Enhancers. I've had to literally put this away because I have been using this every day. So obsessed with it for the last couple of months. Even from wintertime, I've been using this. This one's in Sun Goddess, and these illuminating skin enhancers are so great. They come in a dropper, so what you can do is you can drop some on your beauty blender or put some in the back of your hand and dip it in with a brush and then start to blend it on the cheeks. So beautiful, you guys, so beautiful. I love the formula. It is just so amazing. And this is like a bronze goddess. Look at this. Bronze goddess type of thing. And if it's too much, you can even put this underneath powder, and then when you lightly powder your face, it will kind of tone it down a little bit. Or you can put this on top of your foundation and powders. I find this blends really nicely on top of the powders as well. So this is just really good formula, and it's really, really inexpensive. I just realized I don't have a single high-end bronzer. Oh, I do have a high-end bronzer. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot my high-end bronzer. This would not be an honest video if I didn't include this. This is the only high-end bronzer I am gonna show you guys. I love this so much, you guys. This is the Too Faced Sweethearts Bronzer in Sweet Tea. I tell this every time I show you guys this product that it took me so long to finally buy this. And I wish I would have bought it years ago. This is so beautiful. Gives the most beautiful bronzy look to the skin. I wear this every day. It's in my everyday makeup cart. There's 2 shades in here, or you can mix them. And I'll show you the 2 shades separate. I don't know if you can see that. This is the first shade. Here is the darker shade. And then whenever I mix them together, oh, just beautiful, bronzy look to the skin. Just beautiful, beautiful. If you can only do one thing in this whole video, if you can only get one thing in this whole video, this is it. This is it, you guys. Get this bronzer. It is freaking amazing. I love it so, 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 so much. Like, I love my other inexpensive stuff, but this one, like, I couldn't live without this. I can't. Okay, let's talk about blushes. This one is a no-brainer. I'm all about peach and pink in the summertime. Peach and light pink. And then in the fall, I'll start doing like the deeper reds, the plummy colors, the mauvey colors, the ashy colors. But in the summertime, it is peach and pink. So I don't have a lot of blushes. This one is a newer one to me. It's the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Blush. This one's in So Curious. Beautiful peachy color, so gorgeous. I love it so much. It is just absolutely beautiful. The formula is amazing. It smells good. It is scented, so be aware, but it's one of my absolute favorites, and I think this one's softer than any of the other peachy ones I'm going to show you. Then we have this one. This is the Makeup Obsessions Live Love London blush in Honey. This one you can find on the Makeup Revolution website. I will link it below, but it is straight up peach. Peach, peach. Not pinky peach, not coral, it's peach. And almost orangey peach. And it looks beautiful. All skin shades will love this. This is gorgeous. Fair skin, tan skin, medium skin, deep skin. It will just look so beautiful. I love this, and this was so affordable. This was like, I think $2 or something like that. So awesome. I just love it so much. So this one's kind of a mix of like a bronzer slash blush, because it's a bronze color, but it is a blush. So if you like the very neutral, like you want to look just bronzy, you don't want any like pinks or any color in it, this one's a good one. This one is from the LA Girls from Just Blushing line. It's called Just Glowing, and it's just a glowy bronzy color, and it's really beautiful color. And this one's a really good one for summer as well. So I thought I would throw that out there for you guys, because I know some of you guys are really into this kind of stuff. I am too. I love this. It looks so beautiful on the cheeks, but this is a good. I love those LA Girl Just Blushing blushes, because the formulas are so soft. You get so much in the pan and they're so inexpensive. They are drugstore prices. So then we have these Colourpop Supershock cheeks. So this one's called Drop of a Hat, and this one is beautiful. It's kind of a little bit more on the coral gold. So soft, you guys, look at that. And it's very, very glowy. It has a gold sheen. So if you want something to blush and a highlight in one, this is a good one. And then this one as well is called Get Leid, and it is a matte, and it's just a beautiful peachy color, like a bright peach color. Oh, so soft. If you guys like matte blushes, but you don't want it to accentuate any texture or anything like that, you might want to try this one. This one like smooths over the skin and over fine lines. So those are some two really, really good blushes. And again, these are super, super inexpensive. This is like a lot of inexpensive products. There's only 2 products that are a little bit more pricey. 2 are Too Faced products. That's crazy. Last blush to show you guys is this Too Faced Natural Face Palette. This is just a good palette to have. You have a bronzer that is really, really good in there. You have 3 blushes. One is more of that bronzy natural one. It has a little bit more of like a pinky, but like muted down reddish blush. You got your pink blush and 2 highlights that are gorgeous for the summertime. So this palette's just great for summer, period. But this is my love right now. This pink blush is my summertime love. If I'm not wearing peach, I'm wearing this pink blush. This one's called Pink Wink, and I love it. It is a shimmer, and it looks like it has shimmer gold flecks in it, but when you swatch it, it just looks like a glowy pink blush, and it's a perfect shade of pink. It's not too fuchsia, it's not too like pink. It's just like beautiful. It's like a pure, beautiful pink. And I know it looks crazy, but just lightly applied on the cheeks, it is so nice. In that video that I talked about my summer makeup bag, this is the blush I was using, this pink blush. Just so beautiful. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about highlighters, and I know this video has been so long, but I have some good highlighters to share with you guys. First off, I cannot do a highlighter favorites video and not mention this, especially for summertime. This is the WetNWild Boozy Brunch highlighter. This one's amazing. Again, it's one of those baked ones. It's huge. It's broken because I love it so much. I just swirl it all in between, and it gives the beautiful golden sheen. So gorgeous. There's swirls of pink in there. There's swirls where are more gold. There's swirls that have some bronze in there. Look at that. It's just so beautiful and so affordable, and this is perfect for summertime to give you that golden goddess look. And it's so inexpensive. Just take a look at that. That's so beautiful. This is just a good one. It's been a favorite of mine for years. Next are 2 palettes that are newer to me and I've loved. This one's the Hardcandy Just Glow. It's a lot more natural, less beaming, kind of perfect for every day, especially this color right here is a perfect everyday highlighter. Then you have this one's a tiny bit more beaming, and then you have like almost a bronzy highlighter shade. These are baked. This one is in the shade Meet Me in the Light. Sorry, Meet Me in the Light. Meet Me in Tahiti is what this one is. And again, beautiful highlighter palette. I really, really do love it. It feels dry and dusty because they are baked, but this is a really good affordable palette that you can find at Walmart that I really like. They've been really nice. I would just use these on top of the cheeks and not all over the face. Then I have this one. It's the Revolution Pro Supreme Highlighter in Gold. This is the only one that has like bits of gold glitter, but if you just tap off your brush, it will just fall off. But look at these. This is like your gold paradise right here. So beautiful, super pigmented. Look at that. Oh my gosh, these are beaming. These are beaming highlights, you guys. A little bit goes a long way with these. Look at that. These are just so beautiful. I particularly really love this color right here. This is what I use on top of the cheeks, just lightly on top of the cheeks, just beautiful. But all these colors are gorgeous, all of them. Then we have this little guy. This is the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. This one is very, 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 very wearable, you guys. Very wearable. Oh, so soft. You can find it at Ulta. This is not a gold highlight. It's more like a natural, maybe has a little bit of like a pink warmness to it. It's not gold. It's not cool, but it's just very natural. So if you want something you can put on the cheeks and on the face, this is a really good one. If you don't want something that looks wet or beaming or look crazy for the summer, you just want to have a tiny bit of glow, this is a really good highlighter. Next is this LA Colors Illuminating Skin Enhancer. This one is in the shade Liquid Gold, and this is one that I like to put under right after foundation, underneath powder, or underneath my foundation to give me a natural glow to come through my foundation. You can wear it on top of powders and it looks beautiful, but it is very yellowy gold. So just be aware of that. I mean, just look at it, how yellowy and gold it is. Oh my gosh. But underneath foundation or powder, look at that, beautiful. Or on the skin, looks so beautiful. Here's a big swatch of it and then that blended out. Oh, and it goes, it's just super, super smooth. It's not shimmery at all. It's glowy. It's a gold, a true gold glow. Just so beautiful. I knew I wanted to show you guys this one because a lot of you guys are going to be into that kind of stuff, and this is very, very, very affordable. Last but not least is my favorite highlighter of all time. This little baby right here. This is a high-end highlighter for you guys. This one, if you're going to go splurge on a high-end highlighter, this is the one to get. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how gorgeous this is. The packaging is gorgeous. The mirror is amazing. The product inside is amazing. And you can't really dupe this. You can't find a color that is like this. This is gold, but it's so wearable. I can make this look like my skin's wet. Or you can just lightly apply it for just like every day. But this is the highlight that I have on. I piled it on today. I piled it on, but look at this. Look at this. It's so gorgeous. This is one of the highlighters that will not accentuate any imperfections, any texture. This is just such a good, oh my gosh, like such a beautiful highlighter, you guys. I love it so much. This is exactly what I have on. Look at this. Look at this beam. Look at this beam. That's it. The video was long. Let's finish this quickly, abruptly. Let's finish this video. That's it. Those are all of my favorite picks that I managed to take out and decide. There's so many more highlighter palettes. There's so many more products that I love. But there wasn't enough video time. I mean, these are supposed to be my favorite summertime ones. I can't like everything and everything be my favorite. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this was helpful if you guys are looking for some great summertime blushes, bronzers, or highlighters. Also, make sure you come back tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day of summer week, and I'm leaving the best for last. We're talking about foundation and primers. My favorite foundation and primers for the hot, heat, humid summertime. Whether you want light coverage or full coverage, I'm gonna be talking about it all tomorrow. So make sure that you come, make sure you hit the bell, and that you're subscribed. And leave a comment down below and tell me, what is your favorite summertime face product? What is your favorite? It can be a highlighter, it can be a blush, it can be a bronzer. What is your favorite summertime product? Comment below and let me know, you guys. I'm always on the hunt to try new products for you guys. You guys know that's what I do here. I try products. So make sure you comment below. I love you guys. You guys are so amazing. Thank you so much for all your support during summer week. You guys have been so fantastic. I hope you've really been enjoying it. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'll just see you guys later. Bye.